Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about how you can be able to participate on the Publc AI airdrop. So undoubtedly, the pin project has been paying lately, like ranging from our node pay, which gave us a lot of money, and a whole lot of other projects that we have participated on. But our grass airdrop actually took the lead, followed by every other good one. All right, so right, guys, this is another opportunity for you to actually join another deep pin project to actually earn massively. But one good news is that this is a new project, and right now is the best time for you to actually join this project that I'm about to share with you right now. So what I need you to do is simply make sure you watch the video till the end. Do not skip any part of it. Let's now watch and learn how we can be able to participate on this airdrop starting from now. Let's get started right now with the video of the today, which is Publc AI. Coming over here, this is the Twitter account, and over here guys, this is the X account, whatever we want to call it. So over here guys, when I click over here guys on the people that I'm following that are following them, there are actually many ways to actually do your investment about any airdrop. And when participating on any airdrop, your safety is one of the priority, because if you are not safe participating on any airdrop, then the airdrop is not worth it. But right now guys, there's a basic way to actually find out how good an airdrop is, starting from the people that are engaging with them, that there are people that are actually in support of the airdrop. Right now I will click on this the people that I'm following, them. You can see over here guys that they are being followed by Pearl Network, well trusted company, and also you can see Sway World right here, and also we have this chain base right here, and also we have this guy Victor is one of the he works in tone company, something like that, but he is not known for supporting any project that is not good. So right now guys, because of these people alone, I'm already comfortable participating on this airdrop. Okay, so right now guys, to get started with this airdrop, a link is going to be on the video description box. Make sure you copy the link from video description box and follow my step right now. So right now guys, the first thing that I actually need to do as always is to make sure that you have Mrs. browser installed on your phone. Okay, make sure you have Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser or any browser that actually supports the addition of extensions. You understand? So right now guys, we have already downloaded our Mrs. browser. We open it up like this. So right now, remember, as I already said, a link has already been dropped on the video description box. Copy the link and come over here to your Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser or any other browser that supports adding extension. You come over here, you come to the search bar, you go ahead and paste it right there. And after pasting it, you click on go. This is going to be opening up their website right now. So this is where you actually need to first of all, connect your Twitter account. You agree with me that there are a lot of ways to actually participate on different airdrop. So you just need to do the ones you can, and of course leave the ones you can't, or just just do within the range of your power. Do not do beyond yourself, and also make sure you do the one that you are very comfortable with. Okay, so right now guys, they are now verifying if we are human or not. We simply need to complete this captcha right here. I know a lot of people don't know how to complete captcha, so right now you just simply need to tick it and it will verify successfully. Very simply as that. So right now guys, they are going to be opening up the Publc AI website right now, and over here guys, you can see this is how it looks like. The first thing you need to do is simply log in with your Twitter account. And one thing that I want to say about logging in with your Twitter account is that if you are not comfortable using your main Twitter accounts to participate on this airdrop, you can of course go ahead and create a secondary Twitter account that you can be using for airdrop. You understand? So right now guys, you go ahead and click on login with X. So right now guys, we are already in right now, and what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and verify your email to get some points, and also you claim points daily. And once you click on claim like that, this is going to be bringing you right here where you're going to be seeing your referral points and your direct referrals and your overall referral, and of course your referral link and all that. So coming back right here, what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and of course verify your email. So right now guys, a lot of things are required for you to do right here. When you click over here guys on this button over here, when you click on it, you can see that these are the tasks that they are requiring you to do. For example, connect Telegram account, complete items GPT store, and all this stuff right here. You just need to come over here and complete as many as you can. Most importantly, verifying your email. Let's click on email not verified. Sorry, Where is this going into? Okay, let's click on email not verify. When you click on it like this, so this is going to be asking you to input your email. We go ahead and of course input our email like this. So we go ahead and click on submit. Okay, make sure there is no space. So right now you are required to verify your email. They are going to be sending you a code on your email box. You just need to go to your email box and of course copy the code, come over here and paste it right here. Right now guys, this is my email. I will go ahead and copy the code like this. So copy, then I will go back to the website and of course paste the code right here. Okay, right now guys, our email has been successfully connected and we have gotten our 100 points. Remember that you need to actually complete as many tasks as you can right here to actually earn as many points as will be given to you according to your effort. Remember that this is not the major way to actually earn this airdrop. So we are going to be talking about how to actually add the extension and be able to get these points through the main way that you are supposed to get it. Remember, when you come over here right now, you are actually you can get 100 points for every person that you actually refer using your referral link right here. Okay, so right now guys, let's now go to the next step, which is how we can be able to add the extension and be able to, you know, earn from just replying to comments on Twitter. So remember, the link to adding the extension will be dropped on the video description as well. Make sure to make use of it and of course get yourself going easily. Okay, so let's now I will go back to the homepage button, then I will click on this search icon again, then I have to paste the list link right here, then search for it. So this is going to be opening up this page for you, whereby you are going to be required to, you know, add to your Chrome. Remember, this is Mrs. Browser, so we can successfully add to Chrome and be able to access it. So we click on add to Chrome right now and you click on OK like this. So this is going to be adding this to your extensions right now and you have to just go in and log. Okay, click on this extension button right here. So let's search for it right here. This is it, Publc AI. I will click on it. So this is going to be opening up the account for me and this is how it's going to be looking like. So right now they are going to be requiring me to, you know, connect my account. I will click on connect account like this. So this is going to be, you know, taking me to where I need to actually connect my account. So this is how it actually looks like. Follow my step. So over here, guys, you can see it has now been connected successfully. Now that our account has been connected, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on how it works for you to actually learn how it works. But how it basically works is that you need to simply earn in two ways. Right now, you can earn by leaving your browser open, just like running Node, and you can also earn by tweeting using the AI feature on Twitter. So right now, guys, let me show you something. When you click on this button right here, this extension button, my bad. Okay, so when you click on this extension button, you scroll down until you see Portal AI Data Hunter. You click on it, then you will see this is what your account looks like right here. So this is what your account looks like. What you need to do from here, you can see we already have 10 points right now. That is because I've actually practicalized it earlier. So what you need to do from here is very easy. So what you need to do from here is to simply go ahead and go to your Twitter. You click on earn more points. Once you click on earn more points right now, let me show you how it works. Very, very easy and too simple. So right now you are going to be taken to your Twitter account. Right now you simply need to find a post that has more than 1,000 views or just any post at all. Reply with it using the AI feature. Right now guys, if you try to reply, for example, let me reply to this guy. I will click on this reply button right now. So this is going to be loading up right now and we are going to be expected to reply. So right now guys, you can see we have this problem right here. AI reply, you can see we have this problem right here showing red. For example, now once I click on AI reply, it will load up and it won't be able to reply. Right now, how do you actually solve this question of this problem? For you to be able to solve it, what I need you to do is, if you're using your browser extension, if you're using your browser to access all this, you click on this trade dot at this side, you click on it, you scroll up until you see desktop site, you click on desktop site. So you are going to be changing your view to desktop site view. This is going to be allowing you to actually, you know, position very well to be able to reply using the AI feature. So right now guys, we are going to be taken back right now. For example, I'll just click anything so that it will take me to any post so that I can reply and see if this is actually working out right now. So you can see over here, this is the post right now. For example, if I want to be replying to this one right now, I will click on this reply button and right now let's see if we're gonna have anything different. So right now you can see the button has changed to something like purple color, meaning that we can now generate the reply using the AI feature. I will click on AI reply right now. So right now this is going to be loading up pretty quick, and let's see if what the AI reply. You can see right now it has gotten a reply right now. You to click on reply, you click on reply right now, and your reply will be sent using this AI feature. That is simply how you earn. Okay, so right now guys, you need to scroll up again and find another post. The more posts that you apply to using the AI feature, the more that you actually earn. So right now guys, I will click on AI reply again. This is going to be generating a response right now, and the response is going to be recorded using the AI feature right now. Right, we need to then click on reply to actually reply to it. So sometimes it does take it some time, but just allow it to load up, because it is trying to read up the whole write-up right here and be able to generate a reasonable reply to it. So right now, let's see if it is working right now. And right now you can see that the response has been generated right now, and right now let's click on reply. This is going to be replying this tweet right now by what was generated by the bot. Okay, so right now guys, the tweet has been replied. Let's now go ahead and check if our point has increased. So I will go ahead and click on this extension button, and I will click on this public data hunter, and right now let's see what we're gonna have right here. And we have seen that our total earning has changed to 30. This literally means that on every tweet that you reply to using that AI feature, you get 10 points, and that's how simple it is. Pass like this, guys. So make sure you do as many as you can, and of course leave the rest that you cannot do at the moment. Remember to gather as many points, because right now you can see that the point that I've earned earlier has added up right here. So that's how simple it is, and that's how you earn from Publc AI Airdrop. Remember, all the link is going to be on the video description box. And right now I have to say thank you so much for tuning into our channel today to watch our video. More updates that's going to be helping you position well on the crypto space is going to be shared. Make sure you watch our video always, and always like our video to keep us motivated. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys very soon on my next video.